Hello there. We are in Adelaide. Australians will know Adelaide as a lovely small city, well known for its wine. The wineries here are absolutely amongst the best in the world. So if you're going to come here, maybe 3 or 4 days in the McLaren Vale and the Barossa Valley. I'm in Rundle Mall at the moment. So the Rundle Mall is just it's close to traffic, and there's plenty of shops down here. You know, your Maya, H&M, you know, all the big labels are here. Very, very nice, very quaint, beautiful, and it's very close to everything as well. Beautiful, so yeah, very highly recommended. So come to Adelaide on your way to Uluru. So I'm now in Hindley Street. So Hindley Street is a lot of restaurants, clubs, a lot of really popular bars are here. So if you want to come out for a good time, very young though, yeah, come to Hindley Street. North Terrace, which I'm currently walking on at the moment, is fantastic. The convention centre, the entertainment centre, and a lot of the entertainment precinct is along here. You can cross the bridge here to get to Adelaide Oval as well, which is of course great for AFL football, cricket and concerts. The casino is on North Terrace, which we'll probably walk past and have a quick look at it in a few moments. Here I am in Glenelg, beautiful suburb right along the beach. As I turn around and you can see behind me the big Ferris wheel there, lovely pier, great for swimming in summer. Real cool hangout, plenty of things for the kids to do here also. There's water slides, a life-saving club, and for adults plenty of great restaurants, good food, and just a real good vibe here in summer. Fantastic place to come and see. And if you're here down in Glenelg, Luciano's seafood, beautiful. We had some beautiful pasta here and some lovely arancini, so nice Italian pizza and pasta. Hi everyone, how are we going? Just sort of coming back from Uluru, I would check out one of my favourites, the Barossa Valley. Here we are in Tanunda, a little town that is sort of the gateway right into the Barossa. All the beautiful wineries are here, the best wineries, and believe me, some of the best wineries aren't the big ones either. My favourite personally is Bethany. Love that winery. So make sure you check it out. It's a little house on top of a hill that also has white pollock. Anyway, plenty of accommodation here, plenty of cafes, plenty of shops, plenty of restaurants. So come and enjoy Tanunda. Welcome to the Barossa Valley. With over 150 wineries and more than 80 cellar doors, I've selected a few of my favourite wineries and points of interest which you might like to look at. Enjoy!